Now, for the past 50 years, every year on December 8th, Manarola in Italy has lit up one of the largest nativity scenes in the world. This year too, the tradition continues despite the pandemic. Here's a report.
Magnificent Manarola nativity and Mario's lights. The holiday cheer is in the air. Since ancient times, Italians have carried on the tradition of preparing Christmas scenes. They recall the birth of the child Jesus, a composition of statuettes, an abundance of decorations. It is called a presepe. Every year, 15,000 lights give life to striking nativity scenes in Cinque Terre. The nativity scene has over 250 characters, scattered all over a terraced hill overlooking Manarola. If it is not unique enough, this delightful work of art is also eco-friendly. In fact, it is built exclusively with recycled materials. It is powered by a photovoltaic system in the spirit of sustainability. But this year, the nativity scene is dedicated to the health workers who were involved in fighting the pandemic.
This year, Mario wants to dedicate his nativity scene to all the health workers involved in the fight against COVID. And as you can see, here's a statue representing a nurse with a heart next to it.
The idea of a Christmas crib is the brainchild of Mario Andreoli, a retired railway worker. And now Cinque Terre is the biggest Christmas nativity in the world. Due to the pandemic, there are no Christmas markets or crowds of tourists this year. But the tradition continues. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.